is opening day 2025 turkey season. I'm up on my hunting club, sitting on a food plot where I've seen a lot of bird activity coming in. I haven't heard anything gobble yet this morning, but I know they're in this area, so I'm just gonna sit here for a while, do some light calling a little bit later in the morning, and see if I can't get something to come into this food plot. I'll bring y'all back along if I start hearing anything or if anything shows up. All right, wish me luck. I just laid one over. Got me a good one this morning. Looks like he's kind of rough. Probably about a 2-year-old bird. But hey, opening morning 2025. I heard him gobbling off down in the bottom. I made a few small calls this morning. Just happened to look over, and there he was. I mean, he didn't gobble close. He was coming into the decoys. To be honest, I think he seen me move a little bit because he turned to go the other way, but he stepped out in the open enough to give me a shot, and I took it. So, starting off the season pretty good. All right.